today we're going to have a go at this. This being the top of my mast.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea.
Well, this was supposed to be a fairly simple job. Bung a few cables up the mast, sort out a light at the top, and do a bit of general fettling. That didn't really happen. After fitting the NASA masthead light to the bracket that Martin Leaning had very kindly fitted for me on the masthead, it was time to consider just how I was going to get all of these wires up and down. Because as usual I'd run out of time, Martin fitted for me the Echo Max radar reflector, and very neat too. Now it was time to move on to the deck light and steaming light, and the first of the issues. Okay, so the process here is we're just taking the deck light out. That I'm pretty certain doesn't work. That's full of water there. Oh dear. Yeah, so the reason the deck light doesn't work, there's a couple of reasons here. So, this being the state of affairs here, not great at all. So, probably need to, this is really not good. As happens so often in this game, we find ourselves wandering off to the chandlers again, trying to sort out yet more components that have not really withstood the test of time. So for a grand total of about £18 we purchased this to replace that. This is the incandescent version here, so that replaces that. And now I need to find a standard 12 volt halogen spot type carball. That's clearly what this deck light's got in it. Time for a quick caffeine break and off we go.
Then turn right onto Selborne Road. Your destination will be on the left.
So Halford's come good, £6.30, jobs are good. That cutout there goes into those pins there. That's that piece done. So what we're doing now is we need to wire in the two wires for the dry light and parking light, or as it's better known, anchoring light, or all-round white. That will go onto the existing wiring from the mast, but what I want to do is put in a spare wire just for future reference to make myself happy. Plus I've got to get the wire for the Glomex TV antenna here, which we've test fitted. That's got to go down the mast too, so essentially down this hole here all the way down there. So it's about half an hour to an hour later. Finally got that through, and we're just on the last one. It's taken us quite a long time to get this through. There's a lot of jams inside, so had to keep going up and down. But I think we're there. So this one now should, yeah, there we go. So that's the top one done. So this is going to go, this bracket's going to go here to hold the PA. There's no weight on it, but you know, it's... To join these very low amperage cables together for the PA, I decided to use these soldered melting connectors. Those familiar with sailing brittly may have seen Chris's video on these. Followed up by a bit of heat shrink, and yeah, job's good. Clearly, one thing we do need to do is test the lights before we put the mast up. So, quick check of the tricolour and the anchor light. As mentioned previously, if you reverse the polarity on the NASA light, it turns the other sector on. Good stuff. Yeah, the day started off really well, got some work on the mast done, and then this. So we're in one of those situations where it's so damn wet and windy outside that it's just impossible to do anything. And it's kind of warm in here, and I've got the heating on, but blimey, that wind's bad outside. So I've done a little bit of work this afternoon. I've put a new air filter on the engine. It's a Go Faster Boy Racer air filter. Fixed the binnacle perspex, which is this piece here, which is ready to go, which I've had CNC cut. Oh, it's just horrible, horrible, horrible. And it's raining straight into the nasty afternoon in Port Solent. Yeesh. The days when you don't want to do this anymore. This is kind of one of them. I think we're going to call boat maintenance 0 Storm Darien or whatever it is 1 today. I decided to go for a walk along the waterside. You can see Portchester Castle there in the background. I've never seen the water like this here at Port Solent. The wind had whipped up the wave and there was a big fetch coming in. Absolutely astonishing. Sunsail boats. I wonder how long they'll stay looking like that for. Very nice though. On a day like today, there's really only one place you want to be in this weather. That's in your favourite channels. can't hide, I can't work. I think I'm going to travel home. Yeah. Yeah, drinking. So it wasn't the day that we had planned. We got a little bit of work done on the mast and had a bit of wander around Port Solent, put the air filter on the engine. Apart from that, yeah, we'll see you next time. Take care.